Yo, what up, bro? Morning. You always sleep. You always sleep with fenders?
Just as much as you sleep with cameras.
I love that you are carrying out a fender out of your house wearing a shirt that says Fender.
I am.
Could I be any more Fender?
Dude, tons per day.
Nice, let's do this. How's life?
It's here.
Guys, it is a beautiful Saturday morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be another hot one in Southern California. And welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I am your daily driver, Mark Herman, and this is my partner in crime, Captain Commodore Big Beard. We're making a final push to get the last of the parts primed so we can get ready for paint. There are a couple of things that we need to wait on, but we are pretty much almost done with the priming and the bodywork, which means things are gonna start moving quick, and we couldn't be more excited. Am I right?
Yeah.
Would you like to add any 7 a.m. comments?
It's the end of summer, boys.
It is.
So we gotta wrap this up before the rain hits. Winter is coming.
Well said, sir.
Sorry, I took my head.
So,
We're talking about songs from when we were kids.
mm-hmm.
Remember that? It's all, listen to your heart when he's calling for you. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I haven't thought about that song in like over a decade.
Okay, so now that we got the panel completely sanded and stripped of any primer paint, we do see that there was some rust repair. All right, if you guys want to take a look right here, all these points right here, these are all welding points, okay? Yeah, so it looks like he was patching holes right there, but this, at this point, this is a patch panel repair. So basically you cut out the old rusty part and then you weld in a new piece of sheet metal. That's what that is right there. So I went ahead and grinded all these clean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sand them and then fill it with body filler, because these little tiny imperfections, they're below the surface and you have to fill them in. That way you don't have any concaving when you go and paint your panel. So let's go ahead and do that now. It's me, your bubby.
What's up, dude?
You want to sand with me? I'm telling you, all the cool kids are doing it.
Oh, this is your Tom Sawyer moment?
Let's do this.
Tom Sawyer?
Friends who sand together stay together.
Well, okay.
You ready to give this fender the buttermilk baby treatment? Hand hug. Nice. How's life on the cow patty?
Exhausting.
I hear that.
Bro, work it.
We build dreams, people. We build dreams.
You know what I'm about to do? Build me a sandwich.
Nice. And a La Croix La Cola.
They're sold out.
Oh, terrible. All right, I will meet you out here in 2
hours.
Give the ladies something, dude.
This ain't the breakfast buffet.
Is it the breakfast club?
Ooh, nice. Well done. You're gonna be Molly Ringwald.
Nice. Apparently I'm gonna be the mom from Riverdale.
Yeah.
Nice.
Riverdale. Ooh, I wonder how hot it's gonna be.
Well, it already is with you in the shot.
Yeah. Ooh, it's...
Okay, 4 or 5 hours later of prepping our panels, we are ready to paint, spray paint, no, prime. Captain Big Beard, you ready to prime?
So ready.
Get ready for prime time, guys. Here we go. All right, guys, we have finished prime time.
Yes, we have.
We have finished prime time. It's hot. We're done. We're taking a shower. Do you concur, sir?
I concur.
Yeah, let's do this.